Welcome to our solar installation with Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers. Our dedicated team of engineers were able to put together 36 units of 450-watt solar panels, 17.5 kilowatt lithium battery, and 11 kilowatt smart hybrid inverter. Here we are unboxing our 17.5 kilowatt lithium battery and getting it ready to be installed.
Oh my, this battery is very heavy. That is how you tell a really good quality. Isn't this such a beauty?
Here, our installation process is ongoing, and we take time to pay attention to details to give our customers the very best solar energy has to offer. Oh, did I forget to tell you about our Ragnar series inverter? The very best out there in hybrid inverters. Talk about rugged and smart at the same time. And to optimize the functionality of this inverter, we make sure to program it by way of special settings and to get you the best charging possible. Synchronizing it with the battery bank leads to smart handling on your electrical loads and also for remote monitoring too. And when we were done, what a delightful final setup this was. We even had to integrate an external MPPT just to maximize our use of 36 solar panels, empowering the company. Now, it's orientation time! Here, we are training the management of CIS on how the system operates, proper energy management tips, and most importantly, safety tips. And we are very happy they received it with full attention. The Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers is quite an organization. They were keen on powering all essential loads such as lighting, PCs, fans for offices, always.
There is our wall of fame of previous heads of the institute.
And our 1.5 horsepower AC cooling our server room. Why not give your company or industry a chance to experience solar power? Trust me, you will not regret it. Contact iPoint Ross International Limited for your solar solutions today.